A little reality. Okay, I say we go fight Ronald in the student council.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties or areas: Yavapai, Arizona, at 4:34 p.m. on April 16, 2026, effective until 4:34 p.m. April 17, 2026. Due to an accident on Interstate 40, the town of Seligman is without power, and there are no services between Kingman and Ash Fork, Arizona. Travelers should fuel, eat, and rest in Kingman or Ash Fork. Cell phone service may also be compromised. Residents who need assistance with ice, food, water, etc. Call Yavapai County Office of Emergency Management at 928-442-5103.
Terry hit Rusty in the kidney with a gavel. Is he okay?
Oh, Rusty's fine. You know he comes from good solid Scottish stock.
I can't believe you're letting Ronald get away with this.